Roads are one of the important factors for the economic and social development of a country. To build and maintain high-quality roads, humans have invented many types of modern road construction machines, capable of operating quickly, accurately and efficiently. In this video, we will learn about the most advanced road construction machines in the world today. Gamo 9500 Trimmer, a versatile material handling machine. Gamo 9500 Trimmer is a versatile material handling machine, capable of cutting off excess materials on the road surface and transferring them to trucks. The machine can adjust the width and height of the cutter to suit different requirements of the projects. The machine can also be equipped with additional devices such as water spray, glue spray, cement spray or seed spray to complete other stages of the road construction process. Gamo GP4, a smooth paving machine. Gamo GP4 is a smooth paving machine, capable of paving different layers of asphalt with high accuracy. The machine has a smart design, allowing remote control and automation of operations. The machine can pave widths from 3.66 meters to 12.19 meters and thicknesses from 0 millimeters to 457 millimeters. The machine also has an efficient cooling system, extending the life of the machine. Super 3000-3i, a super large paving machine. Super 3000-3i is a super large paving machine, capable of paving 18 meters wide and 50 centimeters thick. The machine has a large capacity, allowing it to pave 1,800 tons of asphalt per hour. The machine has a smart control system, allowing it to adjust the width and thickness of the asphalt layer as desired. The machine also has an automatic cleaning system, saving time and effort. Badger Breakers, a surface braking machine. Badger Breakers is a surface braking machine, capable of breaking old concrete or asphalt layers for reuse. The machine has a simple design, easy to operate and maintain. The machine can break widths from 1.22 meters to 3.66 meters and thicknesses from 15 centimeters to 45 centimeters. The machine can also be equipped with other devices such as dust collector, water spray or cement spray to complete other stages of the road construction process. Hoffman, super fast road marking machines. Hoffman is a company specializing in producing super fast road marking machines, capable of marking different types of lines with high speed and quality. The machines have a modern design, allowing remote control and automation of operations. The machines also have an efficient cleaning and cooling system, extending the life of the machines. Fastpatch ACR, a super fast road repair material. Fastpatch ACR is a super fast road repair material, capable of repairing potholes or cracks on the road surface in just a few minutes. This material has self-mixing, self-leveling and fast-drying features. This material also has the ability to withstand high temperatures, high pressures and strong impacts. This material can also be used for different surfaces such as concrete, asphalt or metal. Those are the most advanced road construction machines in the world today that I want to introduce to you. I hope this article will help you gain more knowledge and understanding about human road technology.